this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L101 using adjustment program. Before you download the resetter, you must disable all of your antivirus, include Windows real-time protection if you are using Windows 10. You can disable your Windows real-time protection and the temper protection. Certain this is off. Then you can download the resetter for L101. We put link into description. You can just click that link to get this resetter. After that, you can right click and choose extract here. Open the folder and double click in adjustment program. You can click accept and then choose particular adjustment mode. Please select was impact counter in here and click OK. Click in the main pad counter and click button check. After that, click button initialization. If you have an error in here, you can repeat the latest step until the resetter works. After that, you can click finish and turn off your printer, and then you can turn back on your printer again. That's all.